Good morning, all of you. I again welcome you all to Shri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. I, Gurpreet Kaur, welcome you all to your computer class. So let's start with our today's topic. Today again we are continuing with the same chapter, that is chapter number 4, Keyboard Special Keys. The name of the chapter is Keyboard Special Keys. Now today we are going to learn about the topic number keys. Today our topic is number keys. In the previous class we have learnt about the keyboard, the different types of keys. There are 4 type of keys we have learned, that is alphabet keys, number keys, special keys and symbol keys. Today and alphabet keys we have already learnt in the previous class. Today we are going to learn about the number keys. So let's start. First, I again explain that what is a keyboard. A keyboard is an input device. It is used to type letters, words, numbers or different symbols. In it, the alphabets are not arranged in an alphabetical order. Here the most important point is a standard keyboard has 104 keys. You have to remember this always, that a standard keyboard has 104 keys. In the previous class I have already told you about the alphabet keys, and in a standard keyboard there are 26 alphabet keys are there. There are 26 alphabet keys are there. We have already learnt about the different types of keys. I again repeat, there are 104 keys on a keyboard and are mainly divided into the following types: alphabet keys, number keys, special keys and symbol keys. Alphabet keys we have already learnt in the previous class. Okay, now in today's class we are going to learn about the number keys. In today's class we are going to learn about the number keys. Now let's start with the number keys. Number keys. Keys that are used to type numbers are called number keys. Keys that are used to type numbers are called number keys. These are also known as numeric keys. These are also known as numeric keys. They are present above the top row of the alphabet keys. They are present above the top row of the alphabet keys. A keyboard has 10 number keys. A keyboard has 10 number keys marked from 0 to 9. Marked from 0 to 9. A keyboard has 2 set of number keys. A keyboard has 2 sets of number keys. One set is at the top row of the alphabet keys. One set is at the top row of the alphabet keys, and the other set of number keys is known as numeric keypad, and the other set of keys is known as the numeric keypad, and it is present on the right side of keyboard. It is present on the right side of keyboard. A number keys also have some special symbols and mathematical signs on them. Now see in this figure that first I have told you one set is at the top of the alphabet keys. This yellow, this is at the top of the alphabet keys. These are the alphabet keys. Above this number keys are there. They are from 0 to 9, or on the keyboard it is written 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and in last it's 0. So we can say from 1 to 0. These are this at top of the numeric, at top of the alphabet keys. One set is this, and second set is the numeric keypad. Numeric keypad is at the right of the keyboard. It is at the right of the keyboard. These all yellow buttons, these all are the number keys. These all 10 buttons are the number keys of numeric keypad. Number keys of numeric keypad. These are on the right side of the key. If it's clear, in this figure you are clearly watched that that here number 1 to 9 is written, number 1 to 9 is written here, and this is the numeric keypad or number keys on the top of the alphabet keys, and on that number some special symbols are written, and on that numbers 1 2 3 4 some special symbols are written, like multiplication sign is there, dollar sign is there, at the rate sign is there, exclamatory plus minus is equal to sign is there. So that is why we are saying a number keys on the top of alphabet keys are having some special symbols on them, This is one numeric keypad, okay, and other you can watch here, this yellow color buttons, these are the other keypad. This is on the right side of the keyboard. Here also 0 to 9 numbers are written, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, all 0 to 9 numbers are written here. Now we can type 1 2 3 4 from this keyboard, from this number keys easily. When we press 1 2 3 4 5, it will start typing on the keyboard. But if we want to do the work from this keypad, right side keypad of number keys, then what we have to do? First we have to press this num lock button. When we press this, here the green light will appear. Here in this light, the green light will appear. It means that this keypad is working. Now you can type 1 to 10 numbers from this keypad. When green light is there, only you are able to type the numbers with this keypad. Otherwise, you are not able to type the numbers. If here no light is there, then you are not able to type the numbers with this keypad. So for doing work on this keypad, you always have to press the num lock key. I hope it's clear to everyone. That if you want to type the numbers on the right side of the keypad, then you have to first press the num lock, and after that you will start typing. Then only that numbers will work. I hope it's clear. Till now we have learnt about the alphabet keys and number keys. For the other keys, you have to stay tuned with us. We will learn in the next classes. Okay, bye-bye everyone. See you in the next class.